Mechanical faults to Air New Zealand flight NZ75 saw the plane rediverted back to the island last Friday. Fortunately, the plane was not too far from Niue when the pilot made the call to return for assessment of the seriousness of the fault or possible battery fault. The aircraft on return to Niue made a safe landing. An evaluation by an engineer on board prompted a call to headquarters in New Zealand to finalize a contingency plan, while passengers were asked to disembark and wait for confirmation. A replacement aircraft was flown to Niue to pick up passengers later that evening and take them to Auckland. The first aircraft was serviced by engineers before returning to Auckland also. Interesting enough, Air New Zealand will be introducing the new Airbus A320 flight starting this coming Friday, with an increased capacity between Niue and New Zealand of 30%. Pacific's island manager, Peter Walsh, says that demand has been strong to Niue as a result of efforts by Niue Tourism and Air New Zealand, and the final scheduled 737 flight will be on the 20th of December.